Hey, what's up, guys? I'm not sure if you're following this project or not, but what I realized is that I made a number of mistakes and tried to fix them, and I also realized that the map itself is not going to be big enough to incorporate all of the trail systems in this town. So what I've done is I've deleted this portion because the video was crap. I didn't have the certain type of stabilization there, so that's gone. And Rollmore Park, good video. Canyon Street, crap video. And the map wasn't accurate. I missed something, I made a mistake, so it's really important for me to get the cartography right. So what I'm doing here is I'm flipping this over, and I'm actually laying out all the can't really see it too well here, but I'm doing a total grid pattern. And unfortunately I can't buy another one of these at Hobby Lobby, is where I got that, so I'm gonna actually have to make sure that I get it right. I wanted to use the reverse side for like a special area like CSU that requires a lot more detail, but that's where I'm at as far as the city mapping project. So this is an update for you, and I just thought it was important to post this video.